Are you wondering how to do payroll with Gusto? Well, this video is designed to help businesses and employers streamline their payroll processes using Gusto's comprehensive software. From setting up your account to running your first payroll, we'll cover each step in detail. Let's learn how to maximize efficiency and ensure compliance with our easy-to-follow instructions. And if you would like to sign up to Gusto, make sure to use my link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Getting started with Gusto. Starting to use Gusto involves setting up your payroll account, a process that can vary in duration from an hour to a day, depending on the size of your business and the number of employees you have. To begin, navigate to Gusto's website and initiate the sign-up process by providing essential company information such as your company name, the number of employees, and the industry you operate in, whether it's office work or restaurant services. Additionally, you'll be asked to input a contact number and set up a secure password to safeguard your account. After completing these initial steps, Gusto will prompt you to verify your email address by clicking a verification link sent to your inbox. Once verified, you can proceed with the setup process on Gusto's platform. Should you encounter any difficulties or have questions during the setup process, Gusto offers robust customer support options to assist you. You can easily initiate a chat with a representative by clicking on the green tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can opt to call the phone number provided at the top of the page to speak directly with a support agent. Gusto's customer support team is dedicated to helping you navigate any challenges and ensure a smooth setup experience. By providing comprehensive assistance, Gusto aims to empower businesses of all sizes to efficiently manage their payroll operations. Customizing your experience. Gusto personalizes your setup experience by asking you a series of questions about your business. These questions cover details such as whether your employees are W-2 or 1099, your previous payroll provider, and the specific needs related to employee locations and time tracking. Your responses will guide the steps you need to complete, potentially skipping some if they're not relevant to your situation. This personalized approach ensures that your payroll setup is efficient and tailored to your specific requirements, saving your time and effort. By understanding your business intricately, Gusto ensures a seamless and customized setup process, setting the stage for smooth payroll operations. Adding company and employee details. The next significant step in the payroll setup process involves adding detailed information about your company and employees. This includes entering essential tax details for your company and providing personal and payment information for each employee. When adding employees to the system, it's recommended to start from the top of the organizational chart, adding managers first and then subordinate staff, which can streamline the process. You'll input various details for each employee, such as their name, start date, department, and job title. It's important to specify the work state for remote workers, as this affects tax calculations, ensuring accuracy in payroll processing. Additionally, Gusto offers the flexibility for employees to enter their own details via an invitation sent through the platform, or for you to input all information manually. As part of the onboarding process, each new employee will receive necessary forms like the Form W-4 and direct deposit authorization to complete. This meticulous approach to adding company and employee details sets the foundation for smooth payroll operations with Gusto. Setting up the actual payroll. Once all the necessary details are in place, setting up the actual payroll is the next step. Gusto provides guidance through this process, helping you establish a pay schedule that suits your business needs. This involves selecting how frequently employees will be paid and determining the specific paydays. Additionally, you'll decide when to run the first payroll and for which period it will cover, ensuring timely and accurate payments. Once your pay schedule is established, you will need to input details for each pay period accurately. This includes recording the hours worked by each employee, any overtime, bonuses, or other earnings they may have accumulated. Gusto offers various methods for inputting this data, such as manual entry, CSV file uploads, or integration with time tracking apps. The flexibility in data entry ensures that every dollar earned by an employee is accurately recorded and paid, reducing errors and discrepancies. By following Gusto's intuitive interface and instructions, you can streamline your payroll processes effectively. Running your payroll. Now, when it's time to run payroll, Gusto makes the process straightforward. First, you'll see a reminder on your Gusto dashboard indicating it's time to process payroll, or you can choose to start it manually by selecting Run Payroll from the menu. You then enter the hours each employee has worked, along with any additional payments like overtime, bonuses, or reimbursements. Gusto provides options to input this information manually through a CSV file upload or by integrating with a time tracking application. After entering the data, Gusto automatically calculates the taxes and total payments due for each employee. You'll have the chance to review all the details to make sure everything is correct before final submission. If everything looks good, you click Submit Payroll and Gusto handles the rest, including the direct deposit of wages. In case of any errors, if detected early, you can cancel the payroll and correct the information. Finally, employees receive their payments within 1 to 4 business days, depending on your bank's processing time. Cost considerations. When it comes to costs, Gusto provides different plans to suit different needs and budgets. These plans range from basic options suitable for very small businesses to more comprehensive packages. Gusto offers flexible plans tailored to your business needs with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Their basic plan, Simple, provides automatic payroll features and benefits integration for $40 per month, plus an additional $6 per person. For a limited time, their Plus plan offers comprehensive payroll benefits and HR tools at a discounted rate of $60 per month with an extra $9 per person. The Premium plan is designed for growing teams, offering scalable payroll and benefits, expert HR guidance, priority support, and a dedicated success liaison. Exclusive pricing is available for the Premium plan, and interested parties can contact Gusto directly for details. Switching to Gusto is easy, and you only start paying when you're ready to run payroll. Additionally, Gusto assists businesses in identifying potential tax credits, which could result in substantial savings annually. By offering a range of plans, Gusto aims to cater to businesses of all sizes and help them manage their payroll efficiently while minimizing costs. In conclusion, Gusto stands out as a leading payroll solution for businesses of all sizes. With its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and flexible pricing plans, Gusto simplifies payroll processes while ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Whether you're a small startup or a growing enterprise, it offers the tools and support needed to streamline your payroll operations effectively. Start simplifying your payroll process today. Try Gusto for hassle-free payroll solutions tailored to your business needs. Sign up now by using my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.